Prismatic battery module line operation flow description. Robot loading. After the robot is positioned by CCD vision from the battery pallet, automatically grab the battery to the loading conveyor line. Battery OCV and I are sorting station. The battery is automatically scanned. Robot grabs the battery for thickness. OCV and I are test. For defective product, robot grabs it to the ANG station. Plasma automatic cleaning station. Surface of the cleaned battery more adhesive. Preparation for gluing or coating. Automatic gluing station. Select double-sided tape according to the process requirements. Automatic glue removal and material collection. Robot unloading station. Robot automatically moves them to the unloading conveyor line. Stacking and pressing station. Steel belt is manually embedded under the tray. The battery cells are taken out, stacked into groups for pressing, and covered with steel belts. The roller line transports the completed tooling and battery module to the speed chain body. Polarity detection station. It automatically blocks the lifting and positioning. CCD camera monitors the entire battery. Take a photo of the module for comparison. Ensure that cells are placed correctly before releasing to the next station. If there is a disorder, the module will be sent to the ANG station. Laser cleaning station. After the tray enters the work area, it will automatically block the lifting and positioning. After the CCD camera takes a photo of the terminal of the battery module, the laser head cleans the oxide layer and stains on all tabs. Preparation for laser welding. Install the aluminum buoy bar station. The tray will automatically block after entering the work area. Manually fix the battery module. Place the aluminum busbar in order. Preparation for laser welding. Laser cleaning station. After the tray enters the work area, it automatically blocks the lifting and positioning. The sensor automatically focuses the module. The CCD takes a photo of the battery module terminal for addressing and positioning. Transmit the mark point coordinates to the system. After the pressing mechanism presses the aluminum row tightly, laser welding is performed. KBK unloading station. After welding is completed, remove the fixing fixture. Check the welding quality and clean the welding impurities. Use the KBK crane to transfer the battery module to the pack assembly line.